Welcome back, DIY car guys and girls, and good news, you see the 400 is back in the S10. I guess the bad news is I had pretty good content. I was going over the whole process of what I do to put it in, and the freaking card in this camera right here decided to take a dump on me, so I went to load up the computer and it said format card and it had errors. But I guess some of the silver lining is I did have a GoPro recording the entire time I was doing a time lapse. So I do have a kind of a cool time lapse to share with you guys. So that's what we're doing today. You can see this time lapse of me putting the 400 back into the S10, and you can kind of see a little bit of a behind the scenes what happens when I record these videos. So enjoy. And I know some of you guys are probably like, man, why do you just finish it up and fire it up? I mean, honestly, I'm getting a little old, guys, and I'll tell you this right now. So when I was out working, I was picking up some heavy equipment and I kind of tweaked my back, and it hasn't been the same ever since. It's been getting better. Like this time I thought it was better. When I went to go bend down a couple of times, do a couple of things, it started to get aggravated again. So unfortunately, I can't really grind out and finish these things as quickly as I used to. But I'm sure my back will get better. Maybe I'm just getting old too. I don't know. I'm like 43 years old, so I'm getting up there in the age. But I will have it running soon, and hopefully whenever I get the guy running, all the bugs are worked out and we can do some rips. Fingers crossed. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Until next time, keep wrenching. Peace.